Now, for some reason, line breaks and spaces are not allowed between the text you type when making a post on Instagram, but that doesn't necessarily mean you can't do it. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple tools that will help you solve the problem of adding spaces or line breaks in your Instagram posts. You can also use this method to hide your hashtags without adding dots or all those tricks that you may be using to hide your hashtags. All you need to do here is write out your Instagram post text with all the line breaks and spaces between the text using a free online tool, and then copy and paste it on Instagram and you're done. I am also going to show you a free tool that I use to schedule my Instagram post, which also, by the way, makes it easy to add spaces and line breaks on my posts. Let me now show you how easy it is to add spaces and line breaks on your Instagram caption. Now, you want to start off by visiting this site on your phone or on your desktop device. I will drop the link to this site in the description box below this video. You want to start off by typing in the text that you use as your Instagram caption with all the line breaks and spaces. You can also add spaces to hide your hashtags below. You might also want to add some emojis. When you finish editing the text that you want to use as your caption, simply copy it by using this Convert and Copy to Clipboard button and head over to the post you want to post on Instagram. Paste in the caption and finish making your posts. That's all it takes to add line breaks and spaces in your Instagram caption. Now, personally, I use a tool called Later. I use it directly from my computer to schedule my post that will be posted on my Instagram account. If you have been watching my other videos on Instagram, you must have noticed that I use this tool a lot. Now, adding line breaks and spaces using this tool is very easy. Simply drag and drop the image content you would like to use for your post, and then type in your caption just like you want it to appear on Instagram. When you finish editing your post, you have the option to post it immediately on Instagram or schedule the post for a given day and time. So there you have it, two simple, easy to use tools that you can use to create spaces and line breaks on your Instagram caption. Now, although this was a very short video, I hope it was still helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video.